Guys, that's on. This is the morning. Let's see what it is. Ah, quick release. There's a nice saw. Yeah, it's under something nice. Let's see what it is. Yo. Oh, bending. Is that?
My birthday fish.
There it is. Oh, yeah, small to me now. Yo! Hey? Yeah. Oh, oh, beautiful! Oh, nice hit. Yay! Yo! That's a monster machine, bro! Ah, he's not going anywhere. Beautiful, man. Woo! Woo! Beautiful, man. Oh, yes. Happy birthday, Dad. What a beauty.
Flathead.
Woohoo!
Awesome.
There's a chompers on him.
Jig it. River prawn in this top lip. Mustard hook. Mustard jig it. Awesome. Flathead. Just get him off. Release it.
Sure. Yeah. Get the release, guys. Gone.
Awesome, guys. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Guys, I found something here. Must be a big flathead.
Yo.
Ah, it's my PB flathead. Let's just take it out. Take it out the water, yeah.
Guys, I'm on. Don't know what it is yet. Looks like a PB. Hey! Woo! Let's hope it's a PB. I think it's a kingy. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Oh. Woo! Oh, I'm getting sore, man. When did you give up, bro? Oh. There you are. Yo. Yo, my new PB. Okay. There we go. Woo! Yo!
How's that one?
Woohoo!
Look where the hook is. Hooked him in the bottom lip and into the top lip. No way it was coming out, but.
Sure,
There's
man.
that chunky monkey.
That's my new PB. Yo.
Chunky monkey.
Yo.
Try to take the hook out so it's a little bit on the bend.
Woohoo! Yo. Just hook this top lip too. Yo. That's my left bicep workout for the day.
Guys, what's that?
Double your one.
Size 10.
2.5.
Yeah, very. I would say about 500, 600 long. Don't poke me there. Don't poke me there. And underneath. Woohoo! What a beauty! Let's go fast. One day. Half an hour. Okay. Hey guys, here's a release. Okay, he's catching his breath. He's gone. Woo! Yeah, let's follow him. What a beauty! Get on this side of that. Woo! So he doesn't flip. Got it, he's on. There's something nice. Oh! 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 Ooh! Loosen the drag of it, Jaden. Loosen the drag of it. Let him run, boy. Don't force it. Remember, you got a small hook on. See, Jaden's fighting something nice. Don't slack line, slack line. Now walk back, Jaden, walk back. This looks like a PB too. Oh, look at that fight. Look at the rod bend. It looks like a PB, boy. Walk back, walk back, walk back. Loosen the drag a bit. Loosen more. Yeah. Yeah, not tighten a little bit, low. Don't let it go too slack. Okay, walk back with it. Hey guys, this Jaden is bending. Hey! 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 Give him gears. Keep it right up. Reel down. Okay, walk backwards. Yo. Hey, the rod is bending. Hey. Could even be a little cobby or something. Their head shakes like that. Okay, Jaden, you have to try to walk to the back. Walk a little bit faster, boy. Don't pull it too much back. Don't give too much drag. Take that rod bending, guys. Hey. Don't give it too much slack. Come walk back a bit. Don't give it too much. Remember, you got a small hook, huh?
Yeah.
That's a small 1/16 ounce hook. With a 2.5 inch glow paddle tail. McCarthy. But the rod is bending. Don't walk straight back, right? Don't walk at an angle. Walk straight back. Check that rod bending, guys. Just keep fighting it. Don't put too much pressure on them. Remember, it's a small hook. He's going to bend it open. Oh, he's right here. That's a flatty, that big one.
When did you give up, bro?
He's going to fight harder now. You're almost there. Just keep it right up. Don't give him slack. How's he on the showing there? I don't want to go there because he's going to spook him. Just keep him right up. Pull him slowly. Oh, another flatty. Almost in the shallow, Jaden. No, he's got nowhere to fight now. Ah, guys, there's he there. Jaden's going to pull him out. Pull him out, Jaden. Whoa, this is a chunky one. Yo. This is a chunky one.
There we go.
Guys, how's that for a flathead? Oh, they want to poke me with this one. Yes! How's that one? Look where the hook is. Hooked him in the bottom lip and into the top lip. Nowhere was coming out, but it's a chunky monkey.
That's my new PB.
Yo, how's the size?
Yo.
Sure. Yeah, chunky monkey.
Yo.
Okay, let me try to take the hook out here. It's got a little bit on the beach here. Let's see where the hook was.
Just hit this top lip too.
I was solid in the scissor.
Yo. That's my left bicep workout for the day.
Okay, let me just put him here. Try to get the pliers there. But guys, also size 10 shoe.
And a half.
Yeah, probably it's I would say about 500, 600 long. Just trying to work quickly, try to get this hook out and Jaden can release it.
Okay.
Oh, it's a chunky one, this. Wouldn't like to get poked by him. Come on, fella. The line's going around the head, yeah.
Good.
There well.
I've got fish allergies.
Okay, awesome guys. There's the chunky monkey. Hook's out, guys. Jaden's going to take it now. He's going to release it.
When I hold it.
Around the very back of his fins. Yeah.
You won't poke me then?
No, he won't poke you there.
Okay.
Okay. Just back of his fins. Back there. Yeah, there, and the other side, right across. Yeah, that's it.
And underneath.
Yeah. That's it. Whoa, guys, look at Jaden's fish.
What a beauty!
Guys, walk quickly, get him in. Guys, that's 2 BBs. One day. Jaden's one and my one.
Okay, here's the release. Okay,
Awesome.
Scott.
You're some away.
Woo!
We can follow him if you want.
Yeah.
Just kick him there a little bit. He'll go. There he's going. The dinosaur.
What a beauty!
Mm. Awesome. There's his swimming. Just help him along going to the deep. Alright guys, you'll go away. We're not going to follow him. But there. Jaden's PB, flathead. Awesome stuff. Lovely. Let's try again.